Hello and welcome back to Ionic Apps for WooCommerce. In this video we are going to learn another Ionic component, Ionic buttons. So far we have learned how we can create header bars and how we can create subheader bars. We also saw how we can create footer bars. Now it's time to learn about buttons. So how do we create buttons? Let's have a look at it. So I'll just remove my name from here and I'll save it. And as soon as I save the application, you can see that my name is gone from the preview as well. Now we are going to use Ionic buttons. All I have to do is use a button tag and close the button tag. This is a simple HTML button. Okay, but in order to make this button an Ionic button, I have to apply a class, and the class name is button. Okay, if I want to display any text on the button, which we have to most of the times, then I'll just add that text right here. So I'll just type in click me. I'll save it and you can see that I have a simple looking whitish gray button in my Ion content just below my Ion subheader. Okay, just like we were applying color classes to our Ion header bar, we can apply all those color classes to our buttons as well. Let's have a look at how to do that. So I'll just apply another class called button positive. I'll save that. Okay, and you can see that now my button has a nice blue color applied to it. Let's create some more buttons. So I'll just copy this code from here and I'll just paste this code and I'll try to change the color of the button. This time I'll change the color to dark. And you can see that I get a dark colored button. It's kind of a dark gray color. There are a number of other ways we can modify these buttons. Let's have a look at different sizes of the buttons. So we have this button. What if I apply a class called button small? Oh, my button turned very small. I can apply a class called button large, and you can see that the size of the button has increased. So these are the ways you can modify the size of the button. There is also a very important class that you can apply, and it is button block. This class will make your button occupy full width in your screen. These kind of buttons are used a lot in modern applications. So maybe we'll be using this kind of button in our application. All these classes are something that you need to remember. You'll learn and remember the name of all these classes as we develop the application. Don't worry about that. So if you go to Ionic documentation, you'll end up on this page. And this page features all the Ionic components that we can use. So we have Ionic header bar, Ion subheader bar, Ion content, Ionic footer, and buttons. Here you can see all the colors of the buttons that we can use. We have also seen how we can create large and small buttons. We also have a class called button outline. So let's try that. Let's just apply the button outline class to this button. So I'll just apply that class here, button outline, and I'll save it. And you can see that now the button only has an outline. Okay, the fill that the button previously had, the blue color, is now gone. So this kind of looks a modern button that you can use in your applications. There is also button clear, which kind of removes the border of the button and just displays the text, and the text displayed is of blue color, and this is because we have a positive class applied to it. Okay, let me change the class to assertive, and now that click me text will change to red. Okay, so this was all about buttons. One more thing about buttons is that you can have icons in your button. I'll just remove this. So I'll just bring my old blue button back, and now I'll apply an icon to it. If you want to apply an icon to your button, all you have to do is add the icon class and then the name of the icon that you want to apply. There are a number of icons that are already available with Ionic. So I'll just add an icon called Ion Home, and this will add a cool home icon in my button. The icon is right there. If I want to move this icon to the left, I'll add the class icon left, and the icon will be shifted towards the left. If I want to move this icon towards the right, I'll just add the class icon right. See, the icon has moved towards the right. There are a number of other icons as well. Let me just show you another one. So I'll just add a class called Ion star. This will give me a star-like icon on the right. Okay. We also have an icon called gear A. Let's save it and see how it looks like. So we have this nice gear. Let's try gear B as well. Okay, so this is a different gear. If you want to learn about all the icons that are available with Ionic, just head over to ionicons.com and here you'll see a list of all the icons that Ionic has. So if you just want to go ahead and use this icon, all you have to do is use the class ion-medkit and this icon will show up in your application. Let me show you how to use these icons. So I'll just come back to my application and instead of gear B, I'll use the icon ion-medkit. I'll save it. And now I'll see the same icon that we wanted to use in our application. So these are all the icons that you can use out of the box with Ionic.